felt more like a winner than I do tonight. Never more certain the path laid before me was right. You over there with the curls in your hair, couldn't find more of a reason to stare. Never seen eyes look into me as you do tonight. And honey, I've been racing the wind like a bird, been chasing the wealth of the world, but it fades when you're near. So tell me where we go from here. Tell me where we go from here.
Hello mga kapigi! Welcome back again to my channel. Ito pa rin yung host, si Miss Piggy Farm Channel. Welcome back again. Yes, we have an update po sa ating 38 piglets ng ating mga alaga mga kapigi, no? So even we are not everyday uploading to our video, it's just because I'm busy also to other things in our life, especially here in the province mga kapigi, because not only this piggery business mga kapigi, so busy din ako sa bukid. But anyway mga kapigi, we have updates sa ating 30 days piglets, and now ito na po sila mga kapigi, no? So ang sobrang saya na po yan. Ito po yung mga batch April po natin mga kapigi. But anyway mga kapigi, ito talaga, no, pag pumasok tayo sa ating mga bagay na kailangan love talaga natin. And of course, we have a more determination and focus in one thing in life para tayo po ay successful. But anyway mga kapigi, ito pa rin ako, nagsipag pa rin because I want to grow more this kind of business mga kapigi, and that's the reason that we have a target na 20 na inahin this year. So meron na po tayo nakaseparate mga kapigi, so maybe sooner I will update you mga kapigi sa ating expansion nating piggery and ating 20 piglets na inahin. So far mga kapigi, maganda talaga yung ating piggery business now, 2022. Now mga kabigi, yun muna ang aking update, and thank you so much to all support. You always there mga kabigi, no? And yan, ito pa rin ang iyong host, si Miss Piggy Farm Channel, ang nagsasabing simple life is a God life. See you for the next vlog mga kabigi!